In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use grouped tabs in Microsoft Edge to keep your browsing organized and easier to manage. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Then, right-click on any open tab. From the menu that appears, click on Add Tab to New Group. This will instantly create a new tab group. After creating the group, click on its name to rename it. You can give it a meaningful name like Work, Research, or Shopping, depending on what the tabs are for. You can also choose a color for the group to visually separate it from others. To add more tabs to the same group, right-click on another tab, select Add Tab to Group, and then choose the group you created. This helps you keep related pages together in one place. You can manage your groups easily. Click on the group name to collapse or expand it, which helps keep your tab bar clean and less cluttered. If you want to rename the group or change its color later, just right-click on the group name and update it anytime. If you want to remove a tab from a group, right-click on that tab and select Ungroup. This will take it out of the group without closing it. That's it! Using tab groups in Microsoft Edge is a simple way to organize your workflow, reduce clutter, and make your browsing more efficient.